This HGV wheel stud service kit is completely portable and provides fast and effective removal and installation of even the most seized wheel studs. Designed for use on inboard hubs on HGV trucks and buses with either disc or drum brakes. Removal of the hub is not required, and this removes the risk of damage to hubs, seals, wheel bearings and wheel studs. Now, let's look at wheel stud removal. First, screw the 4-screw thread adapter into the press frame. Make sure you lubricate the 4-screw with molybdenum disulphide grease, then screw it into the 4-screw thread adapter. Depending on ease of access, fit either the long stud remover anvil or the short stud remover anvil to the 4-screw. Lightly lubricate the shaft before fitting. Again, depending on the ease of access to the rear of the stud, fit either the stud remover sleeve or the stud remover cup to the press frame. This is a push fit. Fit the press frame assembly over the stud to be removed. We recommend using an impact wrench to drive out the stud. Even seized studs can be removed with ease. When installing a new stud, first fit the stud installer anvil to the 4-screw. Depending on ease of access, fit either the stud installer anvil or the stud installer plate anvil. If using the stud installer plate anvil, secure it to the press frame with the 2 set screws provided. Before installing the new stud, ensure that both sides of the hub are clean and free from corrosion to ensure that the stud will seat fully. Corrosion under the head of a new stud can enable the stud to creep in service and the wheel nut may come loose. Now place the new stud in position. Slip the correctly sized alloy installer sleeve over the protruding threaded end of the stud. This installer sleeve protects the threads of the new stud. Now fit the installer main tube over the alloy sleeve. Fit the press frame assembly over the new stud and steadily screw the 4-screw in to locate the recessed section of the stud installer anvil into the installer main tube. Now drive the stud fully into the hub. Job done. The HGV wheel stud service kit is available now from your Laser Tools stockist.